Your MC number is being used by a criminal right now, and the FMCSA won't tell you until you get a $50,000 bill for freight you never even touched. Your MC number is being used by a criminal right now, and the FMCSA won't tell you until you get a $50,000 bill for freight you never even touched. You are sitting at home thinking your authority is safe because you have your login credentials and your password is strong. You think you are protected. You are not. Criminals do not need your password, your email, or your login to steal your MC number. They simply look up your MC number on the FMCSA Safer system, which is completely public, and they create a fake certificate of insurance using a PDF template. They present that fake certificate to a broker who does not verify it. The broker checks the FMCSA system, sees your active MC number, and dispatches the load to the criminal. The criminal delivers a load, gets paid, and disappears. You receive a $50,000 claim from the broker demanding payment for stolen freight you never hauled. Your authority is suspended. Your insurance is canceled. Your trucking dream is dead because of a crime you did not commit. This is called a ghost authority, and it is the fastest growing threat to new authorities in 2026. Nobody warns you about it until it is too late. Your MC number is active, and you are proud of your new authority. You assume that since you have the login credentials, your identity is safe. Here is the arcane truth that 90% of carriers never discover. A ghost authority is when a criminal obtains your MC number and uses it to haul freight without your knowledge. The criminal does not need your login, your email, or your password to steal your MC number. They only need your MC number and a fake certificate of insurance to trick brokers into giving them loads. The FMCSA does not notify you when a criminal uses your MC number. You only find out when a broker calls you demanding payment for a stolen load you never hauled. Your survival depends on understanding that your MC number is publicly visible and easily stolen. The ghost authority problem is one of the fastest growing threats to new authorities in 2026. You think stealing an MC number requires hacking your account. You assume criminals need your password to use your authority. Here is the unsettling reality that catches every carrier off guard. Criminals do not need your password or login credentials at all. They simply look up your MC number on the FMCSA Safer system, which is completely public. They then create a fake certificate of insurance with a similar insurance company name and present it to a broker. The broker checks the FMCSA system, sees your active MC number, and books the load with the criminal. The broker never suspects fraud because your authority is genuinely active in the government database. The criminal delivers a load, gets paid, and disappears. You receive the bill from the broker months later demanding payment for the stolen freight. You assume ghost authority theft is a rare, complex crime. You think only hackers with sophisticated skills can steal your MC number. Here is the arcane truth that kills new carriers financially. Ghost authority theft is almost always committed by double brokers who use your number to steal freight. A double broker books a load using your MC number and a fake certificate of insurance. They find a legitimate carrier to haul the freight, pay them a fraction of the rate, and collect the full payment from the shipper. The shipper and the original broker believe they hired you because your MC number is legitimately active. The double broker keeps the difference and disappears. You receive a $10,000 to $50,000 claim from the broker for the stolen freight. Your authority is then flagged for fraud, and the FMCSA revokes it. You think ghost authority theft is just a paperwork problem. You assume it will not cost you money if you did not haul the load. Here's a revelatory truth. When a criminal uses your MC number to steal freight, you are legally responsible for the lost cargo. The broker will file a claim against your insurance because your MC number is on the original paperwork. Your insurance company may deny the claim because you did not haul the load, leaving you personally liable for the full value of the stolen goods. The shipper will sue your company for the value of the missing freight. Your authority will be suspended while the FMCSA investigates the fraud. This is not a minor inconvenience. It is a financial death sentence that can destroy your entire trucking business before you even haul your first load. You assume criminals need to file fake MCS 90 forms to steal your identity. You think the FMCSA would catch that fraud immediately. Here is the shocking truth. Criminals do not bother filing fake forms with the FMCSA. They simply create a fake certificate of insurance on a PDF template and present it directly to the broker. The broker checks your MC number in the safer system and sees that your authority is active. They do not verify the insurance certificate with the actual insurance company because they assume it is authentic. The criminal gets the load, delivers it, and disappears. The broker only discovers a fraud when they try to file a claim, and the insurance company denies it because the certificate was fake. By then, the criminal is long gone, and you are left holding the bill. You think your MC number is private and secure. You assume the FMCSA protects your identity from being stolen. Here is a devastating truth. Your MC number is completely public and visible to anyone who searches the FMCSA's safer system. Criminals scrape thousands of active MC numbers from safer every single day. They look for new authorities with less than 6 months of history because these carriers are less likely to have established broker relationships. New authorities are the easiest targets because brokers are less familiar with them. Your authority is not secure just because it is active. It is actually more vulnerable because it is new and publicly visible. The FMCSA does not hide your MC number from the public. It actively publishes it for everyone to see. You have a strong password on your FMCSA portal. You assume that protects your MC number from being stolen. Here is the gut-wrenching truth. Criminals do not need your portal login or your EIN to steal your MC number. They simply need your MC number, which is publicly visible, and a fake certificate of insurance, which they can create in minutes using a PDF template. Your password is irrelevant because they are not breaking into your account. They are impersonating your company to brokers who do not verify the authenticity of your insurance documents. Your EIN is safe, but your MC number is completely exposed. Strong passwords protect your account, but they do nothing to prevent ghost authority theft because the criminals are not logging in as you. You think criminals need advanced software to forge insurance certificates. You assume they will be caught quickly by experienced brokers. Here is a devastating truth. Criminals use publicly available PDF templates to create fake certificates of insurance that look exactly like the real ones. They download a template from the internet, fill in your MC number, your company name, and a fake insurance company name. They then present this fake certificate to a broker who does not bother to call the insurance company to verify it. The broker sees the active MC number in the safer system and assumes everything is legitimate. The criminal is dispatched with the load. The broker only discovers a fraud when they try to file a claim and the insurance company denies it. The fake certificate looks exactly like the real one. You assume brokers verify every insurance certificate they receive. You think they call the insurance company to confirm coverage before dispatching a load. Here is the arcane truth. Many brokers do not verify insurance certificates with the actual insurance company because it takes too much time. They simply check the FMCSA's safer system to confirm your MC number is active and assume the insurance certificate is authentic. If your MC number is active, they dispatch the load to whoever sent them the certificate, believing it is you. This is the weakest link in the entire system, and criminals know it well. They prey on brokers who are too busy to verify certificates properly. Your authority becomes a weapon used against the brokers. You think you have control over your business information. You assume only your broker and your insurance agent have your MC number. Here is the overlooked truth. Your MC number is publicly available on thousands of websites, load boards, and broker databases. Every time you send your certificate of insurance to a broker, they store it in their system. Every time you post your truck on a load board, your MC number is visible to anyone searching for freight. Criminals do not need to hack you. They simply look at the same load boards and broker databases that you use. Your MC number is already out there, and you cannot recall it. Your survival depends on proactive monitoring, not attempting to hide the number. You assume the FMCSA will notify you immediately if someone uses your MC number fraudulently. You think you'll receive a warning before any real damage occurs. Here is the overlooked truth. The FMCSA does not proactively monitor for ghost authority theft. They only investigate when a broker or shipper files a formal complaint against your MC number. This means a criminal can use your authority for months before you ever find out. By the time the FMCSA investigates, the damage is already done. The stolen freight, the revoked authority, and the legal claims against you are already in motion. The FMCSA does not have a system to detect ghost authority theft. You are entirely on your own to monitor your own authority. You think ghost authority theft is just an inconvenience. You assume you can clear your name with a simple phone call. Here is a ruthless reality. Ghost authority theft can cost you $10,000 to $50,000 or more in stolen cargo claims. Your insurance premiums will double or triple because you now have a claim on your record. Your authority will be suspended while the FMCSA investigates the fraud. Brokers will blacklist your MC number because they see a pending claim against your authority. You may be sued by the shipper for the value of the stolen cargo. The legal fees alone can bankrupt a new authority. Your trucking dream can end before it even starts because of a crime you did not commit. You think you are not responsible for fraud committed by criminals using your MC number. You assume the law will protect you because you did not commit the crime. Here's the insidious truth. The law holds you responsible for any freight stolen under your MC number, regardless of who physically hauled the load. The broker contracted your MC number to haul the load. Your MC number is on the paperwork. The shipper expects you to deliver the freight. When the freight is stolen, you are liable because your authority was used to book the load. The police will investigate the fraud, but the civil liability remains with you. The shipper will sue you, not the criminal who is long gone. Your insurance company may not cover the loss because you did not actually haul the load. Your personal assets are at risk. You think monitoring your authority is complicated and time-consuming. You assume it requires special software or expensive services. Here is the cryptic truth. You can monitor your authority for ghost activity in 5 minutes every single day for free. Step 1. Check the FMCSA Safer System daily and look for any unfamiliar inspections or crashes that do not belong to your company. Step 2. Request your own PSP report monthly to see if any new violations have been added to your record. Step 3. Call your insurance agent weekly and ask if any claims have been filed against your policy that you did not initiate. Step 4. Call your broker weekly and ask if they have dispatched any loads to your MC number that you did not authorize. Step 5. Sign up for FMCSA portal alerts to receive notifications of any changes to your authority status. Your survival depends on daily monitoring. You think setting up additional security is optional or complicated. You assume your current login is sufficient to protect your identity. Here is a non-negotiable truth. The FMCSA portal offers multi-factor authentication, MFA, that significantly reduces the risk of ghost authority theft. MFA requires a second form of verification, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Criminals cannot bypass this when they attempt to impersonate you in the FMCSA system. You must enable MFA on your FMCSA portal account. This will prevent unauthorized changes to your authority status and make it harder for criminals to hijack your MC number. Contact your insurance agent to flag your policy to block any unauthorized changes to your coverage. Set up a passphrase with your broker that must be verified before any load is dispatched under your MC number. These 3 steps take 15 minutes total, but save your entire business from ghost authority theft. You are a new authority, and you are vulnerable to ghost authority theft. You now understand the threat, and you are ready to protect yourself. Here is the revelatory truth that saves your business. Ghost authority theft is preventable with a simple daily routine. Step 1. Check your Safer System daily for unfamiliar inspections or crashes. Step 2. Review your PSP report monthly for unknown violations. Step 3. Confirm with your insurance agent weekly that no unauthorized claims were filed. Step 4. Confirm with your broker weekly that no unauthorized loads were dispatched. Step 5. Enable MFA on your FMCSA portal. Step 6. Flag your insurance policy to block unauthorized changes. Step 7. Set up a passphrase with your broker to verify every load before dispatch. Your survival depends on vigilance. The criminals are looking for lazy carriers. Do not be an easy target. Your MC number is your identity. Protect it like your life depends on it. You assume you will only discover ghost authority theft when a broker calls you demanding payment for a stolen load. You think there are no warning signs until the damage is already done. Here's the arcane truth that saves your business from total destruction. There are subtle red flags that appear days or even weeks before the criminal gets caught. If you suddenly receive a phone call from a broker confirming a load you never booked, that is your first and most urgent warning sign. If you receive a random inspection alert from the FMCSA for a truck you do not own, your authority is already compromised. If you notice a slight change in your safer profile, such as an unfamiliar address or a recent update you did not make, the criminals are already testing your defenses. You must treat every unexpected notification as a potential ghost authority attack and investigate immediately. Do not assume it is a mistake, because criminals rely on your assumption that the system is always correct. Your survival depends on recognizing these silent red flags before the $50,000 bill arrives in your mailbox. You think protecting your authority is only about monitoring the FMCSA system and setting up your own security protocols. You assume the brokers you work with will automatically verify your identity before dispatching a load. Here's the critical truth that closes a loophole criminals exploit. You must proactively educate every broker you work with to follow a strict two-contact verification rule before they dispatch any load under your MC number. The rule is simple. The broker must call your official phone number listed on your safer profile and confirm the load details directly with you or your designated dispatcher. You must also provide a unique verification code to each broker that changes every month and must be quoted on every rate confirmation. Criminals cannot replicate a live phone call to your official number, and they do not know your monthly verification code. You must document this protocol in your carrier packet and ensure every broker signs off on it before you haul your first load for them. Your survival depends on making it impossible for criminals to impersonate you without triggering an immediate alert. You think your insurance agent is only there to sell you a policy and process claims. You assume they have no role in preventing ghost authority theft once your policy is active. Here is the overlooked truth that turns your insurance agent into your most powerful defense. Every insurance company has a dedicated fraud investigation unit that monitors for suspicious filing activity. You must call your agent and explicitly request that a fraud alert flag be placed on your policy. This flag ensures that if anyone attempts to file a claim or make a change to your coverage using a different phone number, email, or address, the insurer will immediately freeze the policy and contact you directly. You must also instruct your agent to require verbal confirmation from you before processing any endorsement changes. Criminals often try to change the mailing address on a policy to intercept claim checks and verification documents. A simple fraud flag notification to your underwriter can stop a criminal in their tracks before they ever steal a single load. Your survival depends on using your insurance agent as an active shield against identity theft. You do everything right, but a criminal still manages to steal a load using your MC number. You are now holding a $50,000 claim from a broker, and the FMCSA is investigating your authority. Here is a ruthless reality that separates carriers who survive from those who declare bankruptcy. Your immediate actions in the first 48 hours after discovering the theft determine whether you save your business or lose everything. Step 1. Do not pay a single dollar to the broker or shipper until you have hired a legal counsel to review the claim. Step 2. File a formal police report for identity theft and cargo fraud with your local police department and the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. Step 3. File a formal unauthorized use of authority complaint with the FMCSA's Fraud Investigation Division through the Ask FMCSA portal. Step 4. Immediately freeze your insurance policy to prevent any unauthorized changes by calling your agent and instructing them to block all modifications until you have resolved the fraud. Step 5. Send a formal dispute liability letter to the broker and shipper stating that you are not the carrier who hauled the load and providing your police report number. Your survival depends on acting decisively and legally within the first 48 hours, because every hour you delay gives the criminal more time to disappear and the broker more reason to sue you. You provide your phone number to every broker and shipper you work with, but you assume the FMCSA safer system only displays your business name and address. You think criminals cannot intercept your communications because they do not have your personal phone number. Here is a shocking truth that exposes the weakest link in the entire verification chain. The FMCSA Safer System displays the phone number you register with your USDOT application, and most brokers use that number as a primary verification method. Criminals cannot change this number, but they can rely on brokers who skip the verification step entirely. You must instruct every broker to always call the official Safer System phone number for confirmation, not the number on the fake certificate. You must also ensure that the phone number registered in your Safer profile is your primary business number that you answer 24/7. If a criminal uses a different number on a fake certificate, the broker will see the mismatch and flag the fraud immediately. Your survival depends on making your Safer phone number the unbreakable link between your identity and your authority. You have read the entire protocol, and you understand the threat of ghost authority theft. You know you need to monitor your Safer system, set up MFA, flag your insurance policy, and educate your brokers. Here is a revelatory truth that transforms your business into an impenetrable fortress. Ghost authority prevention is not a one-time setup, but a daily habit that you must build into your 30-day startup routine. You must dedicate the first 5 minutes of every morning to checking your Safer profile for any unfamiliar changes, inspections, or crashes. You must dedicate the last 5 minutes of every day to confirming with your broker and your insurance agent that no unauthorized dispatches or claims were filed. You must schedule a weekly 15-minute review of your PSP report to ensure no unknown violations have been added to your record. The criminals are not targeting lazy carriers. They are targeting carriers who assume the system will protect them. Your survival depends on accepting that your MC number is a public asset, and protecting it is your daily responsibility. Follow the protocol, build a habit, and your authority will remain safe from the ghost authority threat forever. If you want the exact 7-step Ghost Authority Shield checklist to protect your MC number from theft, drop Ghost in the comments below. Everything else is in your hands. Monitor first, protect second. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe to New Authority Trucking Insurance Guide on YouTube for more expert insights, step-by-step compliance guides, and hidden strategies to protect your trucking authority. I release new videos daily at 6:30 a.m. and 8 p.m. to help you save time, save money, and stay compliant with FMCSA rules without expensive consultants. Your subscription ensures you never miss the next critical breakdown, because your authority deserves the right protection. Stay safe, stay legal, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to New Authority Trucking Insurance Guide on YouTube. I break down FMCSA rules, insurance traps, and compliance hacks so you can build your trucking business the right way. New videos drop twice a day. Don't miss the one that could save you thousands on your next renewal. I'll catch you in the next one. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, or insurance advice. FMCSA, DOT, and insurance regulations vary by state and situation. The strategies shared here are based on publicly available information and general industry practices. Please consult with qualified legal professional, certified insurance agent, or FMCSA authority for specific guidance regarding your unique application, authority, premiums, or compliance matters. The creator assumes no liability for any actions taken, fines incurred, or authority revocations based on this content. Always verify the current regulations directly with the FMCSA and your insurance provider before making any filing decisions.